Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Gemini AI from the power button on Xiaomi phones. So here I have the Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the Pro version. And if you press and hold on the power button and Gemini appears like here, and maybe sometimes it's annoying, you don't want to use it, you can remove it from this button. For that, just tap on settings and here swipe, tap on additional settings and here tap on gesture shortcuts. Now here we have launch digital assistant. It's turned on, and to turn off just tap here and that's all. And now if you exit and press again on the power button, as you can see, Gemini doesn't appear anymore, and from here you can reboot or turn off your phone. So it is very easy. You will find Gemini here in the menu, and also from here you can use it. Okay, so this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.